to the sound of a brand new day. The sunlight whispers, find your way. Her eyes are bright, her heart's aflame. She's not the same, she's found her name. Every step is a story untold. Every tear turns into gold. She's learning to fly, she's letting go, becoming someone she didn't know. This is the rise of the first bloom, a heart reborn beneath the moon. Every dream she dares to see is growing wild and endlessly. She's the fire, she's the rain, she's the smile after the pain. The world begins again in her eyes. First bloom, she'll never hide. She paints her life with her own hands. No one else can understand. Through the dark she finds her tune, a melody that starts in June. Let the wind call out her name. She's not afraid of change. Every scar becomes her crown. She won't ever bow down. This is the rise of the first bloom, shining bright beyond the gloom. Every heart that beats like hers knows how strong a woman burns. She's the dawn, she's the tide, she's the dream we hold inside. The world begins again in her eyes. First bloom, she's alive.